Hey guys, today we're going to change the brake caliper on the rear for this 99 Oldsmobile Aurora. If this video is helpful, can you just hit that thumbs up button? Really helps me out a lot. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is unhook the e-brake cable here. So you're just going to need to kind of wiggle this loose, and then you have to kind of twist it out around this little slot here. So you just kind of pull and twist and work it out. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is unhook this cable from this bracket here. So take out this bolt right here so your cable can move around, and then you're going to just kind of pinch these clips and push it through the hole. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, you don't have to take this all the way out, by the way, is take out this bolt right here. Alright, now get yourself a catch pan here and take out this bolt, and you're going to lose some brake fluid here. Alright, now you're going to get something to pry with, a screwdriver, whatever, and just pry this up. And you'll be able to lift this right up and kind of wiggle and push. You're going to want to kind of make sure this boot right here doesn't rip. Just kind of pop it off and this will slide right off. Alright, at this point, if you had a leaking caliper like I did, then your pads and stuff are going to be really greasy and nasty. Either replace them, spray everything off with some brake clean is what I'm gonna do. Normally I'd recommend replacing them, but I just need to get this thing going right now. So I'm using some brake clean here. I'll spray off the rotor, the caliper bracket, and anything that's greasy. That way it's nice and clean. Alright, at this point, put everything back together the way you took it apart. Remember to grease, use some caliper grease on your slides. That includes this bolt that you took out down here. And then you're going to need to bleed your brakes, which you're going to do. This isn't really a video on that, but you're going to crack open your bleeder screw. Have someone press the brake down for you, close the screw, and repeat that until you have gotten all of the air out of your lines. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helped me out a lot, and have a good one.